life begins at 40, so they say. Should never be taken at face value. Sabi nga ni John Lennon, if life begins at 40, then it means you've been dead for 39. Pero sa totoo, sa tingin ko, if you reach this age, because I'm 46 now, pag 40 mo kasi, merong mangyayari. You start to come to terms with the reality of your own mortality. Kasi by 40, alamang-lamang namatayan ka na. So, marirealize mo, totoong namamatay ang tao. Yung mga generation lumilipat. So, paunti-unti, yung mga mas matanda sa'yo, nauubos. Tapos paunti-unti, yung mga kaedad mo na. Tapos naintindihan mo na darating ang panahon, ikaw naman. And once you start to realize that, you start to try to look for something worth dying for. And when you have found that, that's when you start really living. When you have something worth dying for, then you can truly live. Kaya those who have known the Lord Jesus Christ and found the truth that the gospel is worth dying for, yan yung mga totoong buhay. Kaya totoo yung life begins with Jesus. Not at 40, it begins with Jesus.